ऐसे ऐसे दिन भी देखे हुए हैं, ऐसे ऐसे सिचुएशन देखे हुई हैं सेल्स में, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू जॉइन सेल्स यू गेट ऑल काइंड ऑफ पीपल एंड इट यूज्ड टू बी फन. मतलब ऐसा कभी लगा नहीं कि यार ये क्या स्ट्रगल है, कुछ ऐसा. लोगों ने लिटरली धक्के देके ऑफिस से निकाला हुआ है. लोगों ने थ्रेटनिंग कॉल्स की हुई हैं बहुत लोगों ने. सो बट आई थिंक योर जॉब मेक्स यू learn the art to handle all those things, which is a great thing, especially sales job. I'm sure मैंने sales job की है हमेशा life में और sales head की है, sales processes. So I'm talking about sales, but I'm sure all kind of companies will teach something different. So that's how it went on, and I think had all kind of experiences.
Exactly, and life will always prepare you. आपको लाइफ हमेशा बड़ी चीज़ों के लिए प्रिपेयर करेगी. और हमें लगता है कि एक छोटा सा एक मिसहैप हो गया, छोटा सा एक हार्ट ब्रेक हो गया, छोटा सा एक लॉस हो गया, और हम उसको बहुत पर्सनली लेते हैं और उसको एक बहुत बड़ा इशू बना देते हैं. बट हम ये भूल जाते हैं अक्सर कि ये एक स्टेपिंग स्टोन है. लाइफ हमें प्रिपेयर कर रही है फॉर बिगर थिंग्स. एंड इट हैपन्स विद मी ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दैट कभी लगता था कि ये चीज़ कैसे हो गई. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ ब्रेकअप, ये कैसे हो गया, ये क्यों हो गया. और उसके बाद जब अब पीछे मुड़ कर देखो तो लगता है कि दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट कुड हैपन इन आवर लाइफ, राइट. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड नेवर आई थिंक दैट वी शुड never feel distressed and never feel victim about the kind of things that happen to us, because life is always happening for us and not to us, as Tony Robbins says it beautifully.
Absolutely, you nailed it.
Right, this is beautiful. So is there any cost of ambition?
Since there was no ambition, so there was no cost, I would say. So,
I love that.
just, cost as such, and as I said that, for me, the biggest so-called success, बड़ा मुश्किल है success को define करना. मैं तो नहीं ढूंढ पाया आज तक success actually है क्या. लेकिन so-called success में, as I said, that did not have to change my core. I was never, जो एक ग्लोबल या एक एक कॉर्पोरेट लीडर के जो एक ट्रेड्स माने जाते हैं कि होना चाहिए, अग्रेशन, डिसाइसिवनेस, academically very that kind of pedigree,
right,
or dominating kind of personality. So fortunately, or unfortunately rather, I would say fortunately, I had nothing out of these. Despite all those things, the way I am, I always behaved like me, and still could.
It has been an authentic journey
along in my journey.
Yeah, very authentic journey. We're just being yourself and not trying to copy people.
Yeah, blessed to have this kind of journey.
Yeah. तो अगर कोई ambition नहीं है तो I think कोई fears भी नहीं होंगे, या कोई fears हैं?
नहीं, I don't think. एक पता नहीं, मुझे बड़ा अजीब सा fear है. बड़े लोग हंसते हैं इस बात पे कि obviously when it's your birthday, so many people would wish you, thousands of people wish you. और आजकल डेट में तो जो आपको नहीं जानते वो भी आपको विश कर देते हैं, क्योंकि आप जो भी सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू. तो मुझे एक बड़ा पता नहीं, although it's not something कि मुझे अपने बर्थडे का बहुत शौक हो, या कोई बहुत मैं क्रेजी हो जाता हूँ, या मुझे बहुत अटेंशन चाहिए हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. लेकिन फिर भी मुझे पता नहीं एक फियर होता है कि मेरा बर्थडे है और मुझे पूरे दिन में मुझे लोग मिल रहे हैं, और मुझे लोग कॉल भी कर रहे हैं, या जितने लोगों से मैं मिलता हूँ उनसे मिल रहा हूँ, लेकिन किसी को याद ही नहीं है. तो जैसे मैं एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता वैसा वाला फील. तो आई डोंट नो कैसे ये फियर बोलूं या क्या बोलूं, थोड़ा अजीब सा फनी सा एक दिमाग में
है. That's the fear.
तो वो है, that you might call it a fear, I don't know.
Yeah. So I would say that for me it's not the fear, but then it's kind of discomfort. कि जब कोई मुझे बर्थडे विश करता है तो आई फील अ बिट अनकंफर्टेबल.
Yeah, I know. 12 बजे तुम्हारा फोन
12 बजे मेरा फोन बंद हो जाता है और मेरे बर्थडे के, और मुझे लगता है कि कोई मुझे रात को कॉल ना करे, एंड देन आई वुड ट्राई टू बी हाइडिंग, go somewhere solo and not be there so that people wish me. So this is interesting. So you have been a very intuitive person, because मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है, because you are not more into your mind, you are more into your intuition, right? You are more of an intuitive person. तो जो tough decisions थे लाइफ में, वो intuition से लिए या logic से?
Logic for sure, but still I think I don't know how to express it, but कुछ शक्तियाँ हैं मेरे अंदर, शायद कुछ पावर है to get some inner voice. सभी में होती है शायद, हम सुनते नहीं हैं मेरे ख्याल से, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे साथ ही होगा, but I listen to those inner voices very attentively. और I guess inner voice को सुन के मैं बहुत सारे steps अपनी लाइफ में लेता हूँ, बहुत सारे decisions लेता हूँ, और ज़्यादातर अच्छे ही निकलते हैं. Obviously ऐसा नहीं कि सभी अच्छे निकलते हो, कुछ थोड़े कम अच्छे भी निकलते हैं, but overall I don't think too much about taking a decision. I follow my inner voice in most of the cases, and surely back it up with whatever logical analysis I can support that with. And that's how I normally take decisions in my life.
Okay. So now I want to ask you this thing that you're very popular.
Yeah.
As far as like in the family and among your friends and in your office, I know that I have seen that kind of respect for you. I know a lot of people in your network. You have been very successful in terms of financially. You have achieved a lot in your career, and business again. You have really achieved some spectacular results in Fateh. Of course, I would like to talk a bit about that as well. So talk a bit about Fateh, and then I would ask you a question: how you build that?
Fateh is a great concept, because I always believe that your business should be solving some problem.
Yeah.
Worked with Just Dial all my life, and Just Dial solved a huge problem of getting timely information. आज के डेट में बहुत आसान काम है information लेना, Google या कुछ भी. आज की डेट में आप AI से कुछ भी आप पता कर सकते हैं. बट जस्ट इमेजिन 90s में जब लोगों के घर में, हमारे घर में भी था फोन, इफ यू रिमेंबर, तो फोन भी नहीं थे, मोबाइल फोन तब तक नहीं आए थे. उस टाइम पे जस्ट डायल जैसा कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट होना, दैट वाज अ ग्रेट स्टेप, बिकॉज दैट सॉल्व्ड सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स. कि लोगों को जो एक कुछ भी ढूंढने के लिए बहुत जगह से प्रॉब्लम होती थी, या दे हैड टू स्ट्रगल अ लॉट कि मार्केट जाके चीज़ ढूंढ रहे हो, नहीं मिल पा रही है, एंड दे आर वेस्टिंग देयर टाइम. तो जस्ट डायल सॉल्व्ड that problem, and that's how Just Dial became such a grand success stories.
Yes.
I would say one of the biggest success stories in India, and pre-Google time I'm talking about. Similarly, Fateh is solving a huge problem. That problem for now it's being solved.
So Fateh is solving that problem in Dubai.
Fateh is solving a different problem in one part of the world, that is Dubai for now.
Yeah.
UAE I would say, but primarily Dubai, where affordable accommodation is a huge problem in Dubai. You live in Dubai now. You know that, people who move to Dubai, because Dubai is full of people from all over the world. 88% is of Dubai is, expats.
Yeah.
So people from India, Pakistan, Philippines, Bangladesh, US, Ukraine, UK, Ukraine, Russia, and every place they come to Dubai for some job or whatever. But it's very difficult to survive because of very high cost of living, and primarily rentals, because obviously initially you can't.
That's the most expensive thing in Dubai.
Yes, of course. So we solve that problem. We give good quality, high quality accommodation in very livable kind of areas.
Yeah.
Because आप दुबई जा रहे हैं और आपको एक बहुत स्ट्रगल करना पड़ रहा है, और एक ऐसी जगह रहना पड़ रहा है जो आप शायद अपने घर वालों को, मतलब ऑब्वियसली आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट, आई एम नॉट डिग्रेडिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ प्लेस, बट स्टिल एक उनको शायद कंफर्ट ना दे. तो इन आवर केस इवन पीपल हु आर अर्निंग लेट्स से 8-10,000 dirhams kind of amount, which is not a very big money.
इस अमाउंट में लोगों को बहुत स्ट्रगल करना होता है.
एग्जैक्टली. तो हम ऐसे लोगों को भी बिजनेस पे जैसी जगह पे वी प्रोवाइड अकोमोडेशन.
Wow.
T-com kind of areas, which is again a very livable kind of area, or Bur Dubai kind of area. So this is something what we are doing. We have giving accommodation to more than 30,000 people.
Wow. And how many apartments do you have?
Now approximately 2,800.
And in how many
increasing
years?
Every day. See, we started almost I would say 5 years back. मतलब एक start करने के हिसाब से बोले, but last almost 2 years have been phenomenal, where we actually understood the concept and potential of this kind of business, and after that I guess we are growing rapidly, and every day we are adding. When we say 2,800, tomorrow when we talk about this we might have 20 or 30 new apartments as well. So keeps on happening because our team is scouting.
Yeah. So
different
when
kind
we
of
talked
places.
about it last time on our last show, where आपके तीनों का founders
Yeah,
थे,
me, Nadir, Adil, we all
right? तो
were
उस
there
time
in
पे
the
I
show.
think there were 1300
Yeah, I guess
apartments.
13 or 1500. I don't
Yeah,
recall
yeah.
the number, but it was almost 1400.
And it was not too long ago.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not even 1 year ago, I guess.
Not even
We have
that.
doubled.
Yeah.
We have doubled in this
Amazing.
phase.
Right. So before I ask you the next question, मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि Dubai is a wonderful place to invest. So you do that, right? You help people to invest their money in Dubai in real
Yeah,
estate.
we have one more venture where we could give complete solution because so many people want to invest
Yeah.
in Dubai, but they don't know what to do.
Yeah.
कहाँ घर खरीदें, ready to move in apartment लें या studio लें या off plan जो something which is going to be delivered after 2-3 years,
Yeah.
उसमें invest करें. उसके बाद क्या करें, rent पे दें, rent collection कैसे होगा and all that stuff. So we give complete solution there. Our team will give you a good ready to move in kind of solution. Then we take it on lease because we anyway, as we discussed, that we take apartments every day. So obviously it's very easy for us to absorb that because if
Yeah.
that falls in our kind of area where we have good demand. So we procure those apartments. So we are kind of giving you lease immediately. And rent collection is not your responsibility in that case. The
Yeah.
person who is investing, I'm talking about them, and we are paying rent on time to all our vendors. So that's how what we do. Maintenance management, everything is our responsibility. So surely that is one single solution for all your needs. So this is what we started
Great
with.
opportunity.
Yeah, so that is because, as I say, that giving solution is what we should do when we talk about creating any kind of business.